Importance of water. Water is one of the most important resources for all living things on Earth. Everything from humans and animals to plants needs water to survive. It is an essential element in daily life that is needed, quite literally, from drinking and cooking to cleaning and farming. It would be unimaginable to think about life as it is now without water. First, water is important for human health. The human body is made of about 60% water, and each organ in the body needs water to function. Water controls the temperature of the human body, digests food, and acts as a medium to move waste during elimination. It ensures that our bodies are healthy and robust. Proper consumption of clean water prevents diseases that come with the consumption of unsafe water. Besides health, water is highly important in the production of food. Farmers require water to grow crops, which provide both human beings and animals with food. Irrigation systems bring water to farms that do not have enough rain, thus, it enables the crops to grow even in arid areas. If water did not exist, there would not be fruits, vegetables, grains, or livestock products to keep us on good diets. Water also preserves the natural habitat. Rivers, lakes, and oceans serve as habitats for a diverse range of fish, plants, and other life forms. Such ecosystems thrive off clean water. Once sources become polluted with contaminants, it can be detrimental not only to the flora and fauna inhabiting such waters, but also to humans who rely on them for nutrition, job opportunities, and sporting events. Water is also inevitable in daily life and for many industries. In the household, it is used for washing, cooking, and cleaning. In factories, water is applied for manufacturing processes, generating electricity, and maintaining machinery. Indeed, not too few of those industries would not work without a water supply, and hence it is as relevant from an economic perspective. In the end, water is vitally important in health, food production, environment, and industries. A resource by all means must be used responsibly by each and every one of us so that future generations can have enough clean water. Safeguarding water sources and judicious use of water are very key to sustaining life on Earth. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is one of the strongest weapons a person can possess. It provides one with an ability to understand the world surrounding him, to make informed decisions, and to solve problems. With knowledge, not only are we enabled to change our lives, but even to influence other people's lives for good. The saying "knowledge is power" is meant to emphasize that with knowledge, a person becomes strong enough to achieve success. One reason why knowledge is so mighty is because it opens up opportunities. With the knowledge of various things, we also have a chance to practice professions and develop certain skills or experiences that would have otherwise been impossible for us. Take, for example, he who learns about science and technology, he can work his way into medicine, engineering, or even computer science. Knowledge creates ways towards new goals, it lets people find their passions and live their dreams. Knowledge also provides the means for improved choices. Once one understands a situation, then he can weigh options and then choose those that are bound to give good results. Whether in personal decisions, work, or relationships, having an idea of what to expect and how to handle various situations leads to wiser actions. It helps people avoid mistakes by teaching from past experiences, ours or of others. In this way, it protects us from harm or failure. More importantly, it can enable us to help others. If we learn something, that could also be disseminated to make a difference in the life of another. A doctor makes use of medical knowledge for the treatment of the sick, a teacher imparts knowledge to educate students, and a leader uses knowledge to guide others. In this manner, knowledge does not only benefit us but society as well. This is the conclusion: knowledge is really power, it opens doors, gives light to thoughtful decisions, and enables us to help others. Knowledge provides the best foundation in our lives. Once we learn to appreciate it, we can create change and succeed with a purpose in life. Therefore, the more knowledge one possesses, the stronger and more capable one will be. The importance of a healthy lifestyle. The importance of living a healthy life is the secret behind a happy and balanced life. A healthy lifestyle involves making good choices that help in keeping our body and mind healthy. It ranges from eating healthy, nutritious food, exercising regularly, avoiding stress, and resting well. If one continues with this routine, then one can live a longer and healthier life. Eating healthy, nutritious food is an important part of one's healthy lifestyle. The diet that contains a variety of whole, nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, gives our body the fuel it needs to function optimally. Healthy eating may help keep our immune system strong, defend against a number of diseases, and potentially even reduce treatment side effects. It can keep us energetic and alert during the day. Limiting foods high in added sugars, refined grains, and saturated and trans fats may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease. Another thing, regular activity is greatly welcomed in maintaining good health. Physical activity strengthens our muscles, bones, and heart. This improves the blood circulation, hence the body can work much more effectively. Exercises naturally lift up one's mood, as this provokes the excretion of endorphins responsible for keeping individuals happier and less stressed. Simple activities like walking, jogging, or even dancing can go a long way in contributing to good health. Another flagship component of a healthy lifestyle is mental health. Mindfulness, time with loved ones, and activities we enjoy will contribute to reducing stress and improving our mental well-being. Undeniably, the presence of stress may have harmful effects on our health if not managed properly, so time to relax and decompress from hustle and bustle is required. Lastly, good sleep is healthy living. Good sleeping rejuvenates our body and readies ourselves for the challenges of a new day. Bad sleep leads to tiredness, mood swings, and concentration problems. The conclusion is that a healthy lifestyle means a combination of good habits that are favorable to body and mind. Good nutrition, regular physical activities, control over stress, and proper rest may help get better health and continue life for a more extended period in a healthier way. A healthy lifestyle indeed is an investment in a happier future. The importance of exercise. Exercise is one of the most valuable behaviors that lead to health and well-being. It involves any form of activity that involves our muscles, thus enabling us to be fit. Regular exercises are beneficial to the body and mental capabilities, hence becoming a necessary activity in our lives. From improved physical health to improved mental well-being, the positive effects of exercise on quality of life are quite extensive. First, physical health is based on exercises. That is one kind of process that gives strength to muscles and bones, keeps the heart healthy, and helps in controlling body weight. Regular exercises, such as walking and running or even swimming, decrease the chances of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Exercises make our body efficient in circulating blood, delivering oxygen, and utilizing nutrients more effectively. This leads to improved energy levels, hence making us feel more active and productive during the day. Besides physical health, exercise is beneficial to our mental health. Through physical activity, the chemical action inside the brain releases something called endorphins, which help us reduce stress and allow us to be in a good mood. The feelings of anxiety and depression can also be reduced through physical workouts. This is evident from studies showing that people who take part regularly in exercises are a happy lot and usually relaxed. It also enhances focus and memory, hence, it makes concentration on tasks easy. Exercises provide a break from daily cares so that people may clear their minds and feel refreshed. Exercise also helps in the development of the will to be more disciplined and confident. A regular physical exercise routine imposes commitment and self-discipline on an individual's schedule. Reaching certain goals of fitness, one is able to run a targeted distance or lift a certain mass, develops one's self-esteem. This state of confidence is likely to spill over into other aspects of life, making individuals take on new challenges and view everything in a different light with increased drive. It is a potent tool, serving to enhance health and well-being in both body and mind. It fortifies the body, lifts the spirit, and is of great assistance in helping a person forge a stronger sense of self. And if regular exercise can be fitted into daily routines, quality lifestyles will improve, and healthier, happier futures will be the rewards. In fact, exercise is essential to anyone who wants to live well and feel his or her best. The importance of teamwork. teamwork is something important in many instances throughout life, from school and sports to work and community projects. It refers to people working together toward achieving the same goal. When people unite together, they are capable of achieving much more than what could have been achieved individually. Teamwork comes with a number of benefits, which include increased productivity, learning opportunities, and good relations between people. Other blessings of teamwork are that it tends to keep people more productive. Working in teams, individuals may share the work and support each other's strengths. As a result, the work would tend to be more effective and of higher quality. For instance, if there is a project at work, each member can be responsible for a different part: planning, organizing, or presenting. In this way, the work gets done more quickly and with higher quality. Teamwork also allows people to learn from one another. When in a team, members come together with varied skills, knowledge, and ideas. Something different surely lies with each person, which might provide other ways of reasoning. Probably, one might be good at solving problems, while the other might be skilled at talking. In this way, everyone learns, and new skills can be achieved that later on can be very helpful. Further, teamwork allows for building up good relationships and instilling trust within an individual. Working in close proximity with a set of people helps in generating open interaction and mutual respect. Members support each other and rely on each other for success. This makes the atmosphere very positive, building a strong connection that might help a person feel more connected and motivated. In summary, teamwork is valuable because productivity improves and learning, as well as relationships, become stronger. Working together brings great achievements and development of an individual. We can work more and enjoy the supportive environment to the betterment of all by embracing teamwork. The value of time. Time is one of the greatest gifts in life. Once time is lost, it can never be regained. This being the case, we must utilize our time wisely. Time builds, achieves, and creates moments in our lives. It's commendable one learns how to utilize time to their benefit, as one's expenditure of time reflects either unhappiness or success. First of all, good time management is needed for personal development. Whatever time we invest in learning new skills or developing good health is the time invested in ourselves. For example, great improvements may be the result of studying or practicing any hobby one likes. Similarly, a person becomes healthier and happier if they spend much time doing gymnastics and taking care of themselves. This is because reaching any goal in school, work, or life takes time. No successful outcome happens without taking up time and giving enough effort in an endeavor. Whoever manages to use their time appropriately is capable of more and will have something worth pride. On the other hand, it is a waste of time whenever opportunities are slipped and missed with regrets thereafter. The third and most important, time. Constructive quality time spent with the family and friends knits relationships and makes lasting memories. Amidst our busy lifestyles, we often tend to forget to keep time for those who matter most in life. When done, however, it keeps us connected and supported. Therefore, time must not be taken for granted. We have to learn to make the most of our time by investing in personal development, reaching our goals, and keeping friendships. Only then can we lead a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Time is truly invaluable, and once lost, we can never again possess it. My neighborhood means a place of home. My neighborhood was a friendly and welcoming area. The residents all know each other and see to one another. I like living here since it has a good balance of peaceful spots and places where fun activities can be enjoyed. The comfort, joy, and sense of belonging are things my neighborhood means to me. What I like most in my neighborhood is the community spirit. A lot of people unite to organize barbecues, holiday parties, and even small festivals. All these events give us an opportunity to connect with one another and make new friends. Many neighbors help others, too. If anyone needs a tool, advice, or just somebody to help them in certain situations, they can easily appeal to their next-door neighbors, knowing that they will get the necessary help without a problem. Another reason I love my neighborhood is because of its parks and greenery. Just a few blocks away from my house is a big park where people from all walks of life go to have some time out and enjoy nature, relax, or exercise. I see many families picnicking, kids at play, and some walking their dogs. It has playgrounds for children and fields for sports, plus a beautiful pond in which ducks swim. It is a perfect spot for an easygoing walk or an amusing afternoon spent with friends and family. It becomes even more picturesque with local shops and cafes. There's a small grocery, a bakery, and a coffee shop where everybody gathers in the morning. By the way, these are very convenient shops, and the owners never seem to be in a bad mood. For example, there are great pastries in the bakery, and in the cafe, there is a nice atmosphere. So, this is just a great place to spend some time, meet people, or just drink something hot. Conclusion: this neighborhood means so much to me because of the real great community spirit, nice parks, and friendly shopping and places to eat that are convenient. It makes me connected and happy when I am living here, and I really feel so fortunate to call this particular neighborhood my home, and I pray and hope it should remain this wonderful for many, many years.